Are you craving the ultimate game room experience? Billiard Gallery's got you covered. For over 20 years, Billiard Gallery in Arizona has been transforming ordinary spaces into luxurious entertainment hubs. We offer a premium selection of top-notch pool tables from brands like Viking, CL Bailey, and Presidential Billiards. Whatever your style, we've got the perfect table for you. But that's not all. Our extensive range includes arcades, darts, game tables, bar stools, and more. Imagine a game room fully equipped with the best entertainment options out there. At Billiard Gallery, we don't just sell products, we provide experiences. Our professional team offers expert services including table moves and installations, ensuring your game room setup is a breeze. Plus, we emphasize American-made pool tables, especially from Golden West Billiards. Customization options? You bet. Choose from various finishes and rail sites to create a table that's uniquely yours. Ready to elevate your game room? Visit Billiard Gallery's website or store today, contact our professional team, and let's make your game room dreams come true. Don't wait, start playing tomorrow.